Hello students, this is your teacher Manju Patel sir. So today we are going to learn lesson 2 fractions and decimals. Before learning about fractions, we have to know LCM, how to take a LCM of given numbers. For example, 2 and 5. What is the LCM of these two numbers? Take like this. 2 ones are 5 is not divisible by 2, then next 5 ones are 5 ones. So 2 5s are 10. So this is our LCM. Okay, LCM means in Kannada Lasa. We told it as Lasa. Next, one more example, 8 and 15. Take these two. 8 ones are 8, 15 remain, 15 ones are 15. So 15 8 are how much? 120. So this is our LCM. Suppose one more number is there, means 8 24. So 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, and one more time, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, next last 3 1s are 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So LCM is 24. So like this you have to calculate LCM. So why we need LCM for fractions? While we are adding fraction numbers, we have to know LCM. For example, so take this, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5. So take LCM of 2 and 5. So 2 ones are, next 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So LCM is 10. We have to write here. So 2 5s are 10. Next 5 2s are 10. Next 5 ones are 5, 2 2s are 4. So addition of this 9 by 10. So this is our answer. While calculating fractions, some people doing like 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 5 is 7. This is wrong method. You have to calculate like this. Okay. So now we have to start the exercise question. So what is the exercise question? First question. Here it is. Okay. For exercise question, first one, 2 minus 3 by 5. So here it is divided by 1. There is no any number, you have to assume there is a 1 number. So 1 and 5 LCM is 5. So 5 1 5 is a 5, 5 1 is a 5. So next 2 5 is a 10 minus 3 1 is a 3. 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. So here it is our answer, 7 by 5. Otherwise 5 1 is a 5. But the number is remaining number is 2. So 5 1 is 5, remaining number is 2. So 1 into 2 by 5. This is our answer for first question. So next question, second question, 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. 1 and 8's LCM 8. 1 8 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. 4 8 ja 32 plus 7 1 ja 7. 32 plus 7, it's 39 by 8. Next number, 8 4 ja 32. Remaining number is 7. So this is the answer for second question. So next, answer for third question, 3 by 5, 2 by 7. What is LCM of 5 and 7? Take here, 5 7. 5 1 ja 7 1 ja. So 7 5 ja 35 is our LCM. So 5 7 ja 35, 7 5 ja 35. Next 3 7 ja 21, 2 5 ja 10. 31 plus 10, 31 by 35. This is our answer. Can't write this in mixed fraction because this denominator number is bigger number. That's why. So next, fourth question, 9 by 11 plus, sorry, it's minus 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. So LCM of these two, 11 and 15's LCM. You can't divide these two numbers by a single number. That's why, because these two numbers are co-prime numbers. 11 ones are, next 15 ones are 15. So 15 11s are 165. So 11 into 15, 165. 15 into 11. 15 9s are 135. 11 4s are 44. Subtract these two. 135 minus 44, it's 120. Sorry. Subtract 135. 9. What is the answer? Subtract 135 by 44. How will you subtract that? 135 divided by 44. 1. 13 by minus 5. 8. It's 81 by 165. So, next question. Next, here it is 3 numbers are there. Although you can say use the same method. 2 by 5, 3 by 2. So, what is the LCM of 10, 5, 2? 10, 5, 2. So, first take 2, 2 ones are as it is, 5 twos are 10. Next, 5 ones are 5 ones are 1. So, LCM is 2 5s are 10. So, 10 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10, 2 5s are 10. Next, 7 ones are 7, 2 twos are 4, 3 into 5, 15. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 15, 26 by 10. So next, 10 twos are 20. Remaining number is 6. This is our answer for 5th question. So next, 6th question. 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Next, 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Next, take LCM of these two, that is 6. 3 twos are 6, 2 threes are 6. 8 twos are 16 plus 7 threes are 21. What is the sum of these two, 16 and 21? That is 37 by 6. Next, 6 6 is 36. Remaining is 1. This is our answer for 6th question. Next, last 8th question. 8 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 5 by 8. 2 8 is 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 minus 8 3 is 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. LCM of these two, that is 8. 2 4s are 8, 8 1s are 8. 17 4s are how much? 68. 29 ones are 29. So subtract these two, we will get the answer for this. Okay, how you subtract 68 minus 29? That is 9. So 39 by 8. Next, what is the answer? 8 4s are 32. So remaining number is 7. So answer is this. Okay. So you go through next question, second main question. Arrange the following descending order. How do you make a descending order of these numbers? So make a make this in a descending order. How will you do this? Take a first question. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So take LCM of 9, 3, 21. How? Like this. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Next, 3, 3 1s are 3 1s are 7. 7, 1 1 1. 7 3s are 21, 23s are 63. So LCM is 63. So LCM of this, if it is 63, how do you write the number? 9, how much? 9 7s are 63. So if it is 9 7 is 63, 7 2 is a, so 2 7 is a 14. Next 3 into how much is a 63? 3 21 is 63. 21 2 is a 42 by 63. Next number is 21 3 is a 63. So 8 3 is a 24 by 63. So you can write it is simply in a descending order. Descending means in English, in Kannada, ilike krama. Okay. So which is the largest number here? Actually, this is the largest number. So descending order. First 62 by 63. Next 24 by 63. Next 14 by 63. So like this, you have to calculate next number. Take LCM of 5, 7, 10. How it is? 5, 7, 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. It is as it is. Next to 7. 7 2s are 14, 14. 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So take like this 1 5 3 by 7, 7 by 10. LCM is 70 now. LCM is 70. It is 70. 5 how much the 70? 5 14s are. 1 14s are 14. Next 7 10s are 70. 10 7s are 70. It means next number 3 10s are 30. 7 7s are 49. So write this in a descending order. 49 by 70, 30 by 70, 14 by 70. Okay, got it? So observe the answer here. Okay. In question 3, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column along the diagonal is the same. Is this a magic square? Add these numbers. Here observe, you can observe. So it is a denominator number is same, so LCM also same. For first question I am telling now. So if it is a denominator 11 11 11 is there, so LCM also 11. So it means if denominator is equal, you can add directly a numerator. So 4 plus 9 plus 2. What is the answer? 4 plus 9? 13. 13 plus 2? 15 by 11. So for second question, second row. Again here denominator is equal. So you have to add just a numerator. 3 plus 5 plus 7. What is the sum of these two? 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 by 11. So for last one, 11, 11 again denominator is equal. Add these 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, that is 15. So all the sum of all the row is equal. So now add columns like. So 4 like this. LCM of these 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 plus 4 is 15. Next LCM of these 3, 11. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is again 15. LCM is denominator is equal, so LCM is 11. 6 plus 7 plus 2 is 15. So you can observe the answer which is given in PDF to you. Okay. So all the answer is 15 by 11, 15 by 11, 15 by 11. Okay. Next, question number 4. What the did here? A rectangle sheet of paper is 12 into 1 by 2 centimeter. Along add 10 into 2 by 3 cm means centimeter wide. It means length of the rectangular sheet is 12 and half centimeter. Width means breadth 10 into 2 by 3 centimeter. Its perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth. So first length is like this, breadth is like this. I have to Using the formula, put the values of length and breadth. What is the length? Length is 12 into 1 by 2. Breadth is 10 into 2 by 3. So 12 2 is 24 plus 1, that is 25 by 2. 3 10s 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. Next, add these two. LCM of 3 and 2, that is 6. So 2 3 is 6. So next, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6. 25 3 is 75. 32 2 is 64. So add these two, 75 and 64, that is 169. Next, 2 1s 2 3s, it means 139 by 3. We can write like this also. Okay, so perimeter of the rectangle sheet is 46 into 1 by 3 centimeter. That is for question answer of fourth question. Next, find the perimeter of a triangle ABE, rectangle BCDE is the figure whose perimeter is greater. Okay, it's simple. Okay, so observe first the triangle. Observe this triangle. So add the perimeter means sum of these two, so these three sides. Add AB here, it is AB is 5 by 2 centimeter, BE is 2 into 3 by 4 centimeter, AE is 3 into 3 by 5 centimeter. Add these three sides, AB plus BE plus AE. What is the sum of these three? So it is first one, simplify, and it is in the simplified form. It is in a mixed form. Write this in another format. 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 4. 3 into 5, 15, 15 plus 3, it is 18. So 2, 4, 5, LCM is 20. Okay, like this, little larger. Okay, so 50. So next one, what is the LCM of these three? 2, 4, 5, LCM is 20. So 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So 5 10s are 50, 11 5s are 55, 18 4s are 72. So sum of these three is 177. 177 by 20 is our answer. Although we can write in the mixed fraction is like this: 28 ja 160, 160 plus 17 is 177, like so 17 will remain. So perimeter of triangle ABE is this much. So now we can calculate a perimeter of rectangle using a formula for this. I already told you in the previous question. 2 into L plus B. You can write like this also. 2 into L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. What is the length of a rectangle? Length is 2 into 3 by 4. Breadth is 7 into 6. So length is 2 into this much. Breadth is 7 by 6. So we can 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Okay, plus 7 by 6. Next, add these two. 4 and 6, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 6 are 12, 6 4 is 12. 11 6 is actually 11 6 is though you can write this, 11 6 is 66 plus 7 4 is 28. Okay, next step, 2 into, add these two. 66 plus 28 is how much? 94. So 2 6 ja 2 47 ja. So here it is our answer 40. Next, sorry 2 6 ja 2 8 2 4 ja 8 47. So 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, so 47 by is our answer. 75 by 6. Okay. So next question is actually observe this two, which is the perimeter of triangle or perimeter of rectangle, which is a larger in triangle is a larger perimeter. That's why perimeter of triangle AB is greater than that of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so we go for next question. Salil wants to put a picture or frame. The picture is 7 into 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame of a picture cannot be more than 7 to 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should be the picture be trimmed? Okay, the width of the picture is like this. The width of the frame 7 to 3 by 10. So therefore the picture should be trimmed. Trimmed means short ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದನ್ನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್? ಸೊ ಕಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ picture is like this. So minus picture width minus frame. Okay, so 7 into 3 by 5 minus 7 into 3 by 10. So mixed fraction, convert this into improper fraction. So 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 38 by 5. 7 10 is 70, 70 plus 3 73 by 10. 5 10 LCM is 10. So 2 5 is 10, 10 1 is 10, 32 2 is 76 minus 73. So 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 centimeters of pictures we have to trim. So it trim means we have to cut that much of picture. Next, Ritu ate 3 by part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? How had the larger share? By how much? It means consider we have to total part of an apple eaten by Ritu. Ritu is part ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Part of the an apple eaten by Somu. So 1ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 by 5 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೋಮು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ out of 1 apple, Ritu is this much of apple eaten by Ritu. So if we subtract 1 by 3 by 5 by 1, we can get part of the apple eaten by Somu. So okay, so how we can subtract this? By LCM method. 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5. LCM of these two, 1 and 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. 5 1 is 5. 1 5 is 5 minus 3 1 is 3. 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 5. This much of apple eaten by Somu. Okay, so comparing the parts of apple eaten by Ritu and Somu, who had eaten more? So 3 by 5. So Ritu ate more apple than Somu. Okay, that's why he put a symbol like this here. Okay, so larger share will be more by how much share Ritu ate then Somu. So we have to subtract these two. 3 by 5 by minus 2 by 5. So we can get easily 1 by 5 answer. So Ritu's part is 1 by 5 more than Somu's part. More means ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 1 by 5 ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ನ ಸೋಮುಗಿಂತ ರೀತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 2 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Time taken by Michael is how much to color the picture is 7 by 2 hours. Time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 5 hours. Covering the both fraction is like fraction. So although we can, so it is in denominator 12 here. So here it is a denominator is 12. You can convert this also as denominator 12. How? So multiply 3 to this and 3 to this. 3 3 is a 9, 4 3 is a 12. This is also converted as a denominator 12. So now we can easily compare 7 by 12, 9 by 12. So 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. Remember this, okay? So now, so 9 by 12, 7 by 12, which is longer here? So 9 by 2 is longer here. So 9 by 12 means what? It is actually 3 by 4. So 7 by 12 is less than 3 by 4. Why by worked longer time? Who worked longer time? Actually, why by worked longer time? Why by worked longer time by how much? How much time did why by worked more than was that Michael? So I have to subtract like this. Actually 3 by 4 hours is Vaibhav's and 7 by 12 hours is Michael's. Subtract these two means Kalira ಒಂದು ನಂದು. How we are subtract by taking LCM of 4 and 12. What is that? Actually that is 12. 4 3 is 12, 12 1 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 7 1 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 2 by 12 means 2 1 is 216. That is 1 by 6 hour. So Vaibhav took 1 by 6 hour more than Michael for same picture. Okay. So this completes your first exercise 2.1. So next question, next exercise 2.2. So match the following. It's like a match the following. So look at, observe the figures and given answers here. 2 into 1 by 5. So it is in the shape of 1 by 3. It is in the shape of 1 by 2. It is in the shape of 1 by 4. It is in the shape of actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 1 is shaded. It means it is 1 by 5. It is also 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5. It means 2 into 1 by 5. So answer is this. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 2. This figure. Okay. It is out of 2, one part is shaded. That's why it is also 1 by 2. It is also 1 by 2. So answer for this is equal. Next 2 by 3. Actually 1, 2, 3. Out of 3 figure, 2 figures are shaded. That's why it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 2 by 3 is our answer for this. So remaining is this one. Okay. Second question. Question number 2. 3 into some picture A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. 3 into 1 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. What is that? 3 into 1 by 5. Answer the question. One is C. How? Here observe this. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 is shaded. So it is 1 by 5. It is also out of 5, 1 is shaded. It is also 1 by 5. So it means 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. This is our answer. That is a given picture. For second is answer is A. How it is? Out of 3 part, 1 is shaded. That's why it is 1 by 3. It is also 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3. So that's why this is a given answer. And this is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 parts, 3 are shaded. So it means 3 by 4. Here is also 3 by 4, 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. It means 3 into 3 by 4. That is our 2 into 1 by 4 is answer. Okay. Next, multiply and reduce the lowest form, convert into a mixed fraction. It's so simple to answer. While adding, we have to take a LCM. While subtracting, it's no matter. So you can easily multiply. 7 3 is for first question. 7 3 is 21 by 5. So is 7 4 is 20, remaining is 1. So for answer for this first question. So second question is 4 into 1 by 3. So 4 1 is 4 by 3. So you can write this also, 3 1 is 3, remaining is 1. So 1 into 1 by 3. So for third question, 2 into 6 by 7. It means 2 6 is 12 by 7. It means 7 1 is 7, remaining is 5. So for fourth question, 5 into 2 by 9. 5 2 is 10 by 9, means 9 1 is 9, remaining is 1. For fifth question, 2 4 is 8 by 3. It means 3 2 is 6, remaining is 2. For sixth question, you can subtract easily here only. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 5 3 is 15 is our answer. Next, you can't cancel here. That's why 11 4 is 44 by 7. So next is 7 6 is 42. Remaining is 2. So next here 5 1 is 5, 4 is 4 4 is 16 is our answer. Next, you can't cancel here. So that's why 13 1 is 13 by 3. So 3 4 is 12. Remaining is 1. Okay. Next, 5 1 is 5, 3 is 3 3 is 9 is our answer for 10th question. Okay. Shade means coloring a picture. How you can color the 1 by 2 of the circles? How many figures are here? 1 by 2 means multiplier. 1 by 2. How many circles are here? 1 2 3 likes, totally 12 figures are here. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So answer is 6. That's why we color 6 figures. This is our answer. Next, how many triangles are here? That is 9. So 2 by 3 into 9. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 2 3 ja, 6. So we have to color 6 triangles. Okay. So out of 15, 3 by 5 into 15. 5 1 is 5, 3 is 3 3 is 9. So we have to color 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So I am going to answer only for 2 questions. Other 2 have to do in your own. 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of means we have to take into. Instead of half we have to take into. 2 ones are 2 12s are, that is answer is 12. Here also second question, 1 by 2 of 46 means 1 by 2 of 46 is 2 ones are 2 23 is. So answer is 23. So next, for second question, what is second question? 2 by 3 of 18 and one more is 2 by 3 of 27. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 6 2 ja, 12. So here is answer. Next, 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 9 2 ja, 18. Here is our answer. Like this you have to do C and D questions in your own. Okay. Here is same answer what we did in previous question. Okay. Before simplify this, we have to convert this into improper fraction. So 3 into 5 5 is a 25, 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. So after this, we have to multiply. 3 into 26 is how much? That is 72. Here it is 72 by 5. So 72 5 by 5. 15 5 is a 75. What will remain? 3. So 15 into 3 by 5 is our answer for A question. So for B question, so 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 3, that is 27. So it is 5 into 27 by 4. Observe here. Okay. So 5 into 27, 5 into 27 is 135 by 4. So 13 3 is a, So 33 into 4, that is 132. So what will remain? 3. So this is our answer. Next for C question. 7 into 1 by 4. 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. 7 9 is 63 by 4. So 4 into 15. 15 4 is 60. What will remain? 3. So this is our answer for C question. Next D question. For D question, 4 into 1 by 3. So first simplify into improper fraction. 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. 19 4 is 76 by 3. It means 325 is 75. Remaining is 1. Okay. This is the answer for D question. E and F question, do it in our own. Okay. Here I am going to answer for one question, A question only. So B question you have to do in your own. Okay. Half means I already told you. Half means half into. Okay. So 1 by 2 half 2 into 3 by 4 means 1 by 2 into 2 into 3 by 4. So 1 by 2, 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 4. So 1 1 is 11. So 1 11 is 11, 2 4 is 8. So while multiplying we have to multiply numerator and denominator. While adding this not happens there. Okay. For second question. So what is the second question? Here it is. 1 by 2 of 4 into 2 by 9. 1 by 2 of 4 into 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 half means you have to take multiply. So 9 4 is what is 9 4 is 9 4 is 36. 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. You have to cancel here also. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 9. So 19 by 9 is our answer. Although we can write it as 9 2 is 18. What will remain? 1. So 2 into 1 by 9. So we have to calculate this in our own. Okay. 8th question. Vidya and Pratap went to a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 4 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? 5 liter. Out of 5 liter, total quantity of water is 5 liter. Out of this, Vidya consumed how much? 2 by 5 of 5 liter means 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. So 2 1 ja, 2 liters of water consumed by Vidya. So Vidya drank 2 liters of water. So what will remain here? Actually you can easily calculate how much, because out of 5 liters of water 2 liter drunk by Vidya. So what will remain there? That is 3 liters of water drunken by Pratap. Actually, okay. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Actually, out of 5 liters, 2 by 5 liters of water drinken by Vidya. So what will remain? 3 by 5 water of 3 by 5 part of water drank by Pratap. Okay. So this completes 2 by 2 exercise. Next, exercise 2.3. Here also half means what? I already told you. So I am going to tell you for first question only. So this 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 half means into 1 1 is 1, 4 4 is 16. This is our answer. Next, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 means 1 by 4 of 3 1 is 3, 4 5 is 20. This is our answer. Actually, this is wrong. 5 5, 4 5 is 20. Okay, so next question, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 4 4 get cancelled. 1 1 is 1, 3 3 is 3. 1 by 3 is our answer. So second question, do it in our own. Okay. Multiply and reduce into lowest format. You can do it easily. For first question, 2 by 3 into 2 into 2 by 3. First simplify this. Okay, 2 by 3. 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. So 2 8 is 16, 3 3 is 9 is our answer. Although we can write this in a mixed fraction, 9 1 is 9. Remaining number is 7. So this is the answer for first question. Okay. So for second question, it is simple. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 7 7 get cancelled. Answer is 2 by 9. Next, for third question, 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. We can't cancel it, although 3 6 ja 18, 8 4 ja 32, 2 9 ja 18, 2 16 ja 32. So answer is 9 by 16. Okay, for third question. Next, for fourth question, 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. 9 3 is 27, 5 5 is 25. You can write this also. 25 1 is 25. Remaining number is 2. 1 into 2 by 15. So next, for fifth question, 3 1 is 3, 5 is. So 1 5 is 5 by 8 is fifth question answer. Next, 11 3 is 33. 2 10 is 20. Although you can write this as 20, 1 is 20, remaining is 13. Next number is 4 12 is 24, 12 4 is 48 by 35. You can write this 35 1 is 35, remaining number is 13. Okay. So third one also, do it in your own trial, because you already have an answer in your hand. For question number 4, I will do it. Okay. 1 by 2 of 3 by 4, which is greater? Actually they asked which is greater, these two or these two, which is greater? I have to do it. Half means 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Half means I already told you, take it as into. 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 is 1 3 is 3, 7 2 is 14 is our answer. Next, for this 3 by 5, 3 5 5 get cancelled. 3 by answer is 3 by 8. Out of this, which is a greater value? This one is greater. How? Actually 3 by 14, 3 by 8. In this, numerator is equal. In numerator, if numerator is equal, in denominator which is small, that is actually a greater value. Okay, it means in Kannada, ಅಂಶ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರು ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ 1 by 2 into 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 into 3 by 7 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ. 2 1 2 3 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 3 3 by 7 or 3 3 get cancel 2 by 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. This is our answer. First, fourth question. So Saili plants 4 saplings in a row in our garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 and the distance between the first and the last saplings. Actually 4 saplings now. Observe the figure here. So distance between this two and this two is 3 by 4, and these two also 3 by 4, these two also 3 by 4. Okay, so 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means for first sapling to last sapling, what's the distance? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So how many 3 by 4s are here? 3 into 3 by 4s are here. It means 3 into 3, 9 by 4. Although you can write this as 4 to 8, 2 into 1 by 4 meter. So the distance between the first and last sapling is 2 into 1 by 4 meter. Okay. For sixth question, Lipika reads a book for 1 into 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads 1.25 ಗಂಟೆ every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Time taken by Lika to read a book 1 into 3 by 4 hours. She reads entire book in 6 days. Total hours taken by her to read entire books is how much? 1 into 3 by 4 into 6. It means if we 1 into 3 by 4 into 6, 4 1 is 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 into 6. It means 2 2 is 2 3 is 7 3 is 21 by 2. So it is like this, 10 into 1 by 2 hours. Actually 10 hours were required by her to read a book. Okay. Seventh question, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 into 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Okay, it's actually important question. For 1 liter of petrol, car covers a distance 16 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? 16 km. If it is 2 into 2 by 3 liters, how much distance it will cover? So multiply these two and denominator like, so 2 into 2 by 3 into 16, right? This one is denominator. So 2 2 is 4, 4 by 3 into 16 by 1, and this one is as it is. So for 16 4s are, so sorry, actually this is 4. Total answer is wrong. 2 into 3 by 4 into 16. Okay, for 1 liter it covers 16 km. For 2 into 3 by 4 liters of how it covers, multiply these two and write this in denominator. 2 ones are 2 2s, answer is 3 by 2 into 16. Oh sorry, again this is not into, actually 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 into 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are 44 km it will run for using 2 by into 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Okay. For 8th question, answer is provide the number of in the box such that 2 into 3 by 4, 2 by 3 into dash equal to 10 by 30. So 2 into how much is 10? So 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 10 is 30. So answer is 5 by 10. Okay. The simplest form of the number is obtained is how much? Its simplest form is 5 2s are 5, 6, 2 1s are 2 3s. Oh, given answer now. So answer of given, its simplest form is 5 by 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So its simplest form is 1 by 2. Put the number in the box. 3 8 are 24, 5 15 are 75. So simplest form, next simplest form of the obtained number, its simplest form is as it is, because we can't cancel 8 and 15 by common number. Okay. the ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ 8 and 15 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ simplest form is as same. So next go for division of next exercise 2.4. Next, if you know the multiplication method, then only you can do a division also. Here it is a division method. Now, okay, 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12. Convert this as into. Instead of division symbol, we write here division. So sorry, multiplication. So when we write multiplication, we can reciprocal it 4 by 3. We can write it as 4 by 3. So now 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. Answer is 4 4 ja 16 is our answer. Okay. So for second question, you can do it here only. 14. Instead of division, we can write here into 5 by 6, write as 6 by 5. So 14 6 ja 84 by 5. So it like this, 16 5 ja 80. So remaining is 4. Next, 8 into 3 by 7. 8 3 ja 24 by 7. Although we can write it as 7 3 ja 21. Remaining is 3 for third question. Next are for fourth question, 4 into 3 by 8. Because instead of division, we write here into 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. Answer is 3 by 2. Here it is. Okay, we can write it like this also. For sixth question, I am doing and neglecting fifth question. Do it in your own. For sixth question, 5 into, sorry, actually it is division, 3 4 by 7. 5 in division, 7 3 is 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. Now we can multiply this, 7 by 25. 5 1 is 5 5 is, so answer is 7 by 5. Here it is. Okay, so we can write 7 by 5 as like this also. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as per the fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Reciprocal of easy, actually reciprocal of each number is, can easily I can write this. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Just ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. 5 by 8 ಇತ್ತಾ, 8 by 5. 9 by 7, 7 by 9. 6 by 5, 5 by 6. 12 by 7, 7 by 12. It is 8 by 1. It is 11 by 1. All the, you can write 8 also, all the 11 also. Okay, it's so simple. I am going to solve on out of 6 numbers only these two. Okay, for first question, 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 by 3, convert this division into 2. So 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. 7 1 ja 7, 3 2 ja 6 is our answer. Although you can write is 6 1 ja 6, remaining is 1. So next, fourth question, 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 3. So 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3, 1 by 3. 13 1 ja 13, 3 3 ja 9. It means 9 1 ja 9, remaining is 4. So answer for 1 is 1 into 1 by 6 is here. Answer for fourth question, 1 into 4 by 9 is here. Remaining questions did in our own method. Okay, here also I am going to solve only 3 questions. What are those? First question, fifth question and eighth question. So for first question, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. It means 2 by 5, make it as into, it becomes 2 by 1. 2 2s are 4, 1 5s are 5 is our answer for first question. For fifth question, 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. Reciprocal of it becomes, have to take reciprocal. Next 7 3 is 21, 2 8 is 16. Next 16 1 is 16, remaining is 5. So answer is 1 into 5 by 16. So for last question, 8th question, 2 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 into 1 by 5. 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 division 5 1 is 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. So next take a reciprocal, 5 by 6. 5 5 get cancelled. Answer is 11 by 6. You can write it also 6 1 is 6, remaining is 5. So do it the remaining questions in your home. Next 2 by 5. It's important exercise because we have to learn your lot here. Okay, which is greater. Actually 0.5, 0.5, 0.005. Out of this actually is 0.5 is greater. Compare here 5.5. Out of this 5 is greater. Actually if it is we take in rupees, this is 5 rupees and this is 5 paisa only. Okay, that's why 5 is greater than 0.5. Next 0.5 is greater than 0.05. 0.05 is greater than 0.005. 0.05 is greater than 0.00005, like this. Okay, so this is our greater value. After it's 0.7, 0.5, which is greater? Actually 0.7 is greater value. This is greater value, like this. 7.7. So 7 is greater. Already told you, instead of you take 7 is greater than 0.7. Okay, so 7 is greater value. 1.37, 1.49, which is greater value? 1.49. Here we can take one more method, 2.03, 2.30. Neglect point here. What it becomes? 203 becomes 230. After 230, 203, which is greater value? Actually 230. So 230 is greater value. 0.8, 0.80, 0.88. Out of these two, neglect the point. What it becomes? It is 80, that is 88, which is greater value? This one. So this is less than symbol, this is greater than symbol. Okay, so going to next question. Express the rupees using decimals. 7 paisa. So 100 paisa means 1 rupees. Actually we know that 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees. For 1 paisa, 1 by 100. How it is? For 100 paisa, this equal to 1 rupee. For 1 paisa, what it becomes? For 1 paisa, what it becomes? 1 by 100. So 1 paisa means 1 by 100 rupees. Okay, 100 paisa means 1 rupee. 1 paisa means 1 by 100 rupees. So for 7 paisa, how many rupees? For 7 rupees, 7 into 7 by, actually this is like this. Actually for 1 paisa, 7 by 100. For 7 paisa, 7 into 1 by 100. It means 7 into 1, 7 by 100 is our answer. You can convert this into decimal easily. Write 7 is directly. It is 2 zeros. It means after 2 point, I have to put a point after 2 decimals. Okay, this is our answer. For example, if a number is 5 by 1000, I have to write it as 0 0. 3 is the numbers are there, so put like this. If it is 5 by 10, here is only 1 0, so you can write it like this. Okay. So next question, 77 rupees 7 paisa. How it will write? 7 rupees 7 paisa. 7 rupees like this. 7 paisa means you already know the 7 paisa like this. 7 by 100. 7 by 100 means 0.07. Here it is. Okay. So 7 plus 0.07. 7 plus 0.07 means we have to add like this 7000.07 070.7. So this is our answer. Okay, so next 77 rupees means 77 plus 77 paisa means 77 by 100. 77 by 100 means 77 two zeros. So put point after two numbers. Point after two numbers is point is here. So sum of these two ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 77.00.77 ಈ ಥರ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ 77.77 ಈ ಥರ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 77.00.77 77.77 this is our answer. Okay, for fourth question 50 paisa. 50 paisa means 50 by 100 rupees. So cancel here. 51s are 52s. You can write this also 0.50. Okay. In another method, we write it as 5 by 50 by 100. See, here is two zeros. Put point after two numbers. After two numbers means 50. That is 0.50. So 230 paisa means 235 by 100. So here it is two zeros. Put point here. Okay, it means 2.35 is our answer. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ if it is 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 100, it means we have to put point here. So answer is 123.45. If it is numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 1000, so here we have to put point here 12.345. So if it is 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 10, so we have to put point only after one number. It is here 1 2 3 4.5. So understand clearly. So for next third question, express 5 cm in meter and kilometer. 5 cm ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. We know that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. ಅಂದರೆ 1 centimeterಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/100 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, 1/100 means 1/100 meter equal to 1 centimeter. For 5 centimeter what it becomes 1 centimeterಗೆ 1/100 meter ಆದರೆ 5 centimeterಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ 5/100 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಥರ. ಸೊ 5/100 means 5/100 means it is actually two zeros. So put point after two numbers. So here it is 0.05. So for 100 meters it is 1 meter. ಹೌದಾ, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. 1 kilometer ಅಂದರೆ 1000 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/1000 kilometers ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 0.05 meter equal to 5 centimeter ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ 5 centimeter ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 centimeter ಇದ್ದನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೀಟ್ರನ್ನ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 5 centimeter ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 meter 1/1000 kilometers. 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0.05 divided by 1000. ಸೊ 3 zeros ಇದಾವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ 3 zeros ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ 3 numbers ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 0.00005 is our answer. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 100 centimeter ಅಂದರೆ 1 meter. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 1 centimeter ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/100 1/100 ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು 1 centimeter ಆಯಿತು. 5 centimeter ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 5/100 ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ 2 zeros ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, 2 numbers ಆಯಿತು, 2 numbers ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 5/100ನ 0.05 ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 0.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.05 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 1000 ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? It is 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometer ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 0.05 ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0.05 ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ 0.05 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್. 3 zeros ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 0.5 ಇತ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ನು 3 zeros 1 2 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ 35 millimeter in centimeter and meter kilometer both. 35 millimeter ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. For 1 millimeter is equal to how much? Simple, 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. It means 0.1, only 1 0, so 0.1 centimeter. For next 1 millimeter it is 0.1 centimeter. For 35 millimeter this is 35 by 10 centimeter. It means 3.5 centimeter. Here it is only 1 0, put after one number a point, so it is 3.5 centimeter. So find it in a centimeter. Next, meter. How? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Then 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Then 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5 by 100 meter. So this means put point after two numbers. Actually point is here, put in remaining in two zeros. So answer is 0.0035 is our answer. Okay. So next, in kilometer, how we have to calculate in kilometer? 1000 kilometer. So 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 0.0035 meter equal to how many kilometers? 0.0035 divided by 1000 kilometer. So how we write in decimal? Put 3 zeros extra here after point. 000, 3 zeros and this number 0035 kilometer. So this is our answer. Okay. So question number 4, express in kg. Actually it is in gram. Okay, 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So for 200 gram, 2 into 1 by 1000, so 200 by 1000. 200 by 1000 means cancel 2020. It's 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means here is only 1 0. Put after one number. It is 0.2 kg. Okay. Next, 3470 into 1 by 1000. It means cancel 0 0. 347 into 1, 347 by 100. Here it is 2 zeros, put point here. So it means 3.47 is our answer in kg. Next, 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg already it is in kg. We have to change grams in only. So 8 into 1 by 1000. It means 8 into 1 by 1000 means here it is 8 into 1 by 1000 means 8 by 1000. So here is 3 zeros means 8 1 2. So after 3 numbers we have to put point here. So 8 by 1000 is equal to 0.008. So 4 kg at is it. 8 into 1 by 1000 is like this, 0.008. 4 plus 0.008 is equal to 4.008. 008. How we add this? I'm telling about this. 4 kg means 4.000. It is in point, so 0.008. 800.4. So we have to add like this. Okay. So for fifth question, 20. Write following decimal numbers in expanded form. Expanded form is so simple. First take 2. 2 into is in the 10th place. So multiply 10. 0 is in unit place. So 0 into 1. 0, this 0 is in decimal place. 0 into 1 by 10. Plus this 3 is in 1000th decimal place. So 0 into 3 into 1 by 100. So this is our answer. So it's actually simple. So observe next question also. 2.03. So add 2 into 1 because 2 in unit place. 0 into 1 by 10 because it's in first decimal place. Next 3 into 1 by 100 because it's in 3 by 1 by 1000th 100th decimal place. Okay, so this is our answer for this. 2 into 100, 0 into 10, 0 into 1 because 2 in 100 place, 0 in 10th place, this 0 in unit place. Next this 0 in first decimal place, you have to write 0 by into 1 by 10, and this one is 3 into 1 by 100. Okay, so fourth question, do it in your own. Write the place values of 2 in the following decimals. Observe the answer here. Place value of 2 in 2.56. Place value of 2 is 2 into 1, it's 2 ones. Next place value of 2 is, it is in 10th place now, so 2 into 10, it is 2 tenths. Place value of 2 in 10.25, so 2 into 1 by 10, it is 2 tenths. If it is here, we tell this in 2 tenths. If it is in decimal place, we tell this in tenths. Okay, 9.42, here it is 2, so it is 2 into 1 by 100, it means 200th place. Okay, 2 into place value of 2 is here 63.352, so 2 is here, it is in 1 by 1000th place, it means 2000th. Okay, next question. Dinesh went from place A to B and from there to C. Place A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. I went from A to place D and from there to place C. D in 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? Okay, actually this is so simple. Distance A to, who is that? Dinesh went A to B and then C. It means here Dinesh traveled here to here. A to B distance is 7.5 km and B to C is 12.7 km. Just we have to add these two numbers. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ? 7.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 12.7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ here it is AB plus BC. AB plus BC. AB is 7.5, BC is 12.5. So I have to add these numbers. 7.5, 12.7. Just point ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೋ ಥರನೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 5 plus 7, that is 12. Put carries here, that is 10. 20.2. So 20.2 distance covered by Dinesh. Sorry, that is Dinesh. Next, AD DC is I have distance covered from AD to DC. So what is the distance of AD? AD is 9.3 and D to C distance is 11.8. 9.3 plus 11.8. 9.3 plus 11.8. And this 11. 21.1. So who covered more distance? Actually I have covered more distance because 21.1 kilometer ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. ದಿನೇಶ್ ಬರೀ 20.2 kilometer ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So comparing the total distance Ayub and Dinesh, 21 point more number is greater than 20.2. So Ayub covered more distance by 0.9 kilometer. 900 0.9 kilometer ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 900 meter ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯುಬ್ ದಿನೇಶ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಾಟ್ 5 kg 300 grams of apple, 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. Sarala bought 4 kg 200 grams of oranges, 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. Who brought more fruits? You have to compare this in weight. Sham, how much? 5 kg 300 gram. Next 3 kg 250 gram. So how much? This is 550 5 kg 5 kg 550 grams brought by Sham. Next Sarala 4 kg 800 gram, 4 kg 150 gram. So means 0 5 9 8 kg. So 8 kg 950 gram bought by Sarala. Who bought more? So actually Sarala bought more. It is 8 kg 950. Sham bought 8 kg 550 gram. So comparing quantity, Sarala bought more foods. Okay. How much less is 20 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? ಅಂದರೆ 28 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 42.6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 42.6 28 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ 0.0 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 6ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 6, 12 8 ಹೋದರೆ 4, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1. 14.6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ 42.6 ಅನ್ನೋದು 28ಕ್ಕಿಂತ 14.6 ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ this is, I think this is last exercise, or one more exercise there. 2.6 quantity 1. So first question, find 2 into 6. We know that 6 2s are 12. Here is a, after one number is point is there, so we have to put after one number point 2. 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4.6 is 368. ಹೌದಾ? ಎರಡನ್ನು ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 368 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 27.71 into 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. So after two numbers point is there, so put point here after two numbers, these two numbers. Okay, so fourth question, 20.1 into 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 0s are 0, 4 2s are 8. After one number is point is there, so put point is here. Okay, 80.4. For fifth question, 7 5s are 35. After two numbers point is here, that's why 0.2 put point is here, so 0.35. So sixth question, 211.02 into 4 is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, again 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. After 2 numbers, point is there here, so put point is here. Okay, 844.08. So remaining this one, do it in your own. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 and breadth is 3 cm. So area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Length is 5.7, breadth is 3, so multiply these two. 5.7 into 3. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 17. So after one number point is there, we have to put here. So 17.1 centimeter square. Why it is square? It is centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square also. Okay. So area of rectangle formula, you have to keep remember this, length into breadth. Area of rectangle formula, L into B means length into breadth. So out of this, I am doing only few numbers. I'm solving few questions only, because I have to do is those numbers remaining the questions 1 2 and this and these questions. I'm only solving these 4 questions only. Okay, so first question answer is 1.3 into 10. Just 13 into 10, that is 130. No, neglect your point. And point ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ 13 ಹತ್ತಲಿ 130 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, 4ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 168.07 ಇಂಟು 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 168.07 ಇದೆಯಾ ಆನ್ಸರು? ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 168.07 ಇಂಟು 10 ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10th ಕ್ವಶನ್ 0.08 ಇಂಟು 10. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 0.8 ಅಂತಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 0 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 zeros ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 0.08 ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರು? 8 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 0.08 ಇಂಟು 10. ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈ ಥರನಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ 8 10 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 80. 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ? ಸೊ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 0.80 ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಬರೀ 0.8 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ 0.03 ಇಂಟು 1000 ಅಂದರೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 0 0 3 0 ಅಂತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0.030.0 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇನರ್ಥ? 30 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನಿಮಗಿದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, wait, I'm telling another method because we don't have space to write one more method. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ 12th ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 0.03 ಇಂಟು 1000. 3 ಇಂಟು 1000 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3000. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 30.00. 30.00 ಅಂದರೆ 30 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. 8th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 43 ಇಂಟು 07 ಇಂಟು 100. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. 43 07 ಇಂಟು 100 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4707 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4707.00 is our answer for 8th question. Okay, so one more question for 9th question. 0.5 into 10. 5 ಹತ್ತಲ 50. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5.0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5.0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 ಅಂತಲೇ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ So next to fifth question 31.1 into 100. So 31100 ಅಂದರೆ 311 ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3110.0 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ಸ್ 55.3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ 1 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಓಡುತ್ತಂತೆ ಇದು ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ 10 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಲೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ 55.3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಫಾರ್ 10 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದೀಸ್ ಟು 55.3 ಇಂಟು 10 ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ 553 ಇಂಟು 10 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 530 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 553.0 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ 10 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್, two-wheeler travels 553 kilometers. Okay. So next here, for this questions, 7th question. This method, first question 2.5 into 0.3. So point in ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. 25 ಮೂರಲೆ 75. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 0.05. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 0.1 ಇಂಟು 51.7. ಸೊ ಸರಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. 0.1 ಇಂಟು 51.7. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 517 ಇಂಟು 1, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 570. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 0.2 ಇಂಟು 316.8. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 2 8 ಜಾ 16, 2 6 ಜಾ 12 + 1 13, 2 1 ಜಾ 2 + 3, 2 3 ಜಾ 6 ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 63.36. ಫಾರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 1.3 ಇಂಟು 3.1. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 403 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 13 ಇಂಟು 31 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 403 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 4.03. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ 10th ಕ್ವಶನ್ 100.01 ಇಂಟು 1.1. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 10,001 ಇಂಟು 11 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 10101 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನಂಬರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, actually this is answer. They gave wrong here. Okay. 2.7 exercise and last exercise. This is the last exercise. Observe here. 0.4 divided by 2. 0.4 divided by 2 means 0.4 means you have to write 4/10 because here after point only one number is there, so that's why we give only 1 0. It means 10 divided by 2. So 0.4 means 4/10, 2 means 1 by, because actually 0.4 divided by 2. 0.4 means 4/10 divided by 2. 4/10 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? 2 ಇರೋದು 1/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 1 ಜಾ 2, 2s 2 1 2 5s ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 1/5 1/5 ಅಂತಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 0.2 ಅಂತಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 0.35 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5. 0.35 ಅಂದರೆ 35 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 2ನ, ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5ನ 5/1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು. 35/100 ಇಂಟು 1/5. 5 1s 5 7s, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 7/100. ಸೊ 7/100 ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0.07 ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2.48 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4. ಸೊ 248 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4/1. ಸೊ 248/100 ಇಂಟು 1/4. ಸೊ 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು? 4 1s 4 6s 24 4 2s 8. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 62/100. ಸೊ 2 zeros are here, it means 0.62 is our answer. So next and last question, only 5th and 8th will do. 651.2 divided by 4. 6512 divided by, after point only one number is there, so that's for 10 divided by 4. 6512 divided by 10 into 1/4. 4 1s 4 1s, 2 will remain 25, 4 6s 24, 1 will remain 10, 4 2s 8 32, so 8. Answer is 1628/10. It means only 1 0, put point after one number is 8. Okay, answer is this. Last 8th question, 0.80 divided by 5. It means 80 divided by 100 by 5/1. 80/100 into 1/5. 5 1s 5 1s 30 will remain 60. So 16/100 is our answer. It means 0.16 is our answer for 8th question. So this method is so simple. Only 10s are here. Just observe here. 4.100 is 1.48. Just shift a point here. It is also shift a point here. Shift point here. Sorry. Okay. 4.8 divided by 100 means 0.48. 52.5/100 means 5.25. 0.7/100 means 0.07. 33 shift point here. While dividing, divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. 33.1 divided by 10 means 3.31 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ 33.1 ಇಂಟು 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 331 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5th ಕ್ವಶನ್ 272.23 divided by 10 means ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 27.223 is our answer. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ 3.97 divided by 10 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ 397/100 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10. 10 ಅಂದರೆ 10/1. ಸೊ 397/100 ಇಂಟು 1/10. ಸೊ 397 ಇಂಟು 1 397. 100 ಇಂಟು 10 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1000. ಸೊ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 3 zeros ಇದೆ, 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3.397 ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 0.397 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌದಾ? Here is a division of 100. In previous question divided by 10. In here we are dividing by 2 zeros. So point shifted after 2 numbers. 2.7 into divided by 100 means we can write after shift point after 2 numbers. So it means 0.027. It becomes 0.027. Okay. Although we are doing this briefly, 2.7 by 100 means 27 by 10 because after point only one number is there, divided by 100 by 1. 27 by 100 into 1 by 100. 27 1 the 27 by 1000. 100 10 the 1000. So after here is 3 zeros. So put point after 3 numbers. 2 7 only 2 numbers. Put point 1. So answer is this. So next. Point 3 into divided by 100. So it means 0.3 divided by 100, 3 by 10 divided by 100, 3 by 10 into 1 by 1000. So 1 by 100, 3 1s are 3, 100 10s are 1000. Put point after 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, 0. So 0.03 is our answer. Here it is. So next, third question, 0.78 by 100. 78 by 100 divided by 100. 78 by 100 into 1 by 100. 78 into 1, 78. 100 into 100, that is 10,000. So put after here is 4 zeros. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 point here. So point is here now. 0.0078 is our answer. Here is 7 division by 1000. $79, 7.9 divided by 1000. Just shift a point after 3 numbers. It means 79. Actually point is here. 1, 2, 3 point. Actually we have to give point is here. We do it in briefly. 7.9 divided by 1000 means 7.9 into 1 by 1000. So in this 7.9 we can write this 7.9 into 79 by 10. Okay, 79 into 1, 79. 10 into 100,000, that is 10,000. So put the point after 4 numbers. Here is 2, 3, 4. Point is here. 0.07. Already told like this. So next, for a second question. 26.3 by 1000. Just put point after 3 numbers. 1, 2 here. 0.0263 is our answer actually. So although we do it briefly. 26.3 divided by 1000. 263 by 10 into 1 by 1000. 263 into 1. 263 into 1, 263. 10 into 1000, that is 10,000. So put point after 4 numbers. 263. So after 4 numbers point is here. So answer is 0.0263. So compare these two. Okay. So last question. Fifth question. 0.5 into, so 0.5 divided by 1000. Actually answer point shifts after 3 numbers. 0.5 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು 1 2 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು 0.0005 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನು. 5 by 10 into 1 by 1000. 5 into 1 5. 1000 into 10 10,000. ಸೊ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 5 ಆದಮೇಲೆ 1 2 3 4.0 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 4 zeros ಇದೆ, 4 numbers ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 5th question, 7 by 3.5. 7 by 3.5 means 7 divided by 35 by 10 because ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 7 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 by 35 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 35 by 10 ಇದು 10 by 35 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 1 7 5 5 1 5 2 ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 0.2 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, 2 by 10 ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 1 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 36 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇರೋದು ಇಂಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 by 2. ಸೊ 2 1 2 18 18 10 180 ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, 3.25 divided by 0.5. ಸೊ 325 divided by 100 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 2 numbers ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 0.5 ಅಂದರೆ 5 by 10 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. 325 by 100 ಇಂಟು 10 by 5 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 by 10 ಇಂಟು 10 by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 0 1 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 1 5 6 30 2 ಉಳಿಯಿತು 25 ಆಯಿತು 65. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 65 by 10. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 6.5. 1 0 ಇದೆ, 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಏನಿದೆ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 43.2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ 2.4 liters ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ 2.4 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 43.2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ 1 liter? 43.2 kilometer, sorry, 43.2 kilometer using 2.4 liters. For 1 liter, how much distance it will cover? So 1 into 43.2 into 1 divided by 2.4, 2 like this. So it means 43.2 divided by 2.4, 432 divided by 10 because after point value 1 number is there. It is 24 by 10. Point ಆದಮೇಲೆ 1 number ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 432 divided by 10 into 10 by 24 ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 10 10 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. 4 6 4 1 4 0 4 8 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 6 1 6 1 6 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿತು 4 ಉಳಿತು 48. ಸೊ 18 kilometer. ಸೊ using how much 1 liter of petrol, that vehicle covers 18 kilometers of distance. Okay, so this completes your lesson. So keep doing ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನೋಡ್ದೇ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋವಾಗ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ.